Warning, this VİPER now has powerful companions. Based on customer input, Garrett is proud to announce the first 2 accessory search coil options for its Apex metal detector. The first is this new 8.5-inch by 11-inch Raider search coil. Its larger size provides greater detection depth and coverage, making it ideal for seeing through taller grass and for searching through large fields. The compact new Ripper coil is in Garrett's popular 5-inch by 8-inch DD size. Its tight size allows you to sneak your Apex into even tighter areas of stubble, underbrush, and other challenging areas. It also offers improved target separation, making it ideal for trashy house sites and iron-infested areas. Raider and Ripper. 2 powerful new coil choices for your Garrett Apex.